guys, so we're back. As you can see, I'm all glammed up by her. I'm looking so good, right? Alright guys, say thank you to Vivian. Thank you, girl.
Always.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing her makeup today. And I'm probably putting on, like, you know, some hair and trying to make her look all good. I don't know how good I'm going to be, but y'all going to be there. And as y'all know, if you've never subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell so you get notified whenever I upload. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. So stay tuned.
Somebody want me, make I don't fall in love with you. But I know answer them, I tell them, say that you. Right now you come and then you play me for a fool. I'm out here wondering, waiting to do. Yeah, oh baby, pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. Pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. If you never thought I could you bunch you, the thing you do me, they do me comfort. This thing I see, I may be deja vu, deja vu. If you never thought I could you bunch you, the thing you do me, they do me comfort. This one I sing go chorus here before you, only you. Pour me water, holy water, cool my fever. Pour me water, pour me holy water, cool my fever.
On the bed.
Girl, you're my queen, I'll give you everything. Anything you ask me, I look for. If it is love you're looking for, I can give you some more. But tell me no lies. Don't take me for granted, don't even try. If you wanna play, let's say goodbye. I don't know why, but I feel you right. If I treat you right, will you come over? Always by your side if you want you in my life, I miss you. So be there, won't you? If I treat you right, will you always by your side if you want you in my life, I miss you. So be there, won't you? C'est où m'idée, si vous l'êtes avancé, pas écouter mon les autres causer. Les autres causes, baby, I know what it is. Oui, donne-moi ton amour, baby, ou même où l'est, à mes côtés, baby, I know what it is. If I treat you right, will you come over? Always by your side if you want you in my life, I miss you. So be there, won't you? If I treat you right, will you?
Alright guys, so as you can see, she glammed me up and I loved it, and so I decided to, you know, return the favor. What do you guys feel about it?
I love my makeup. Aww. It is so cool, and my hair is really like curly. I'm not from here.
Thank you so much. Alright, if you know you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Also, like I said, I'll leave all information down in the description bar as to how to get her to style your hair for you for your bridal events, for any sort of event whatsoever. She is really good. Okay guys, and of course one more thing, remember that you're allowed to dream, you're allowed to speak it, and you're allowed to what? Live it. I'll see you guys. Subscribe, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Mwah. Peace out.
Bye.
Bye. That's all right. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
I got it.
No.
What?
What's what just happened? It's funny, my God. I can't hold it. We need to make her pie. Seriously. So good. That's too good.
Hey,
I can't do this. What's it? Oh God. Mommy. Okay.
I'm not gonna put it.
It's
look up.
So funny.
It will be quick if you relax. I think it looks good. I feel sexy. Hey, this is sexy. I did not know how to be sexy. I'm too boring.
No, I just think it's hard.